This month's Half Yard Sewing Club project are these handy storage tubs. So because this is the main project, you're going to have a video to go along with these as well, where I'll explain exactly how to make them and what materials I've used for them. But I think you're going to find them really useful. So for me, in my sewing room, I would have one maybe with rolls of fat quarters. The big one is large enough to keep my spray glues in there. The smaller one, maybe for ribbons, reels and zips, or the zips. That's a good place for storage, isn't it? Definitely be keeping my zips in there. But of course you can use these in any room that you like. It could be in the bedroom, in the bathroom, maybe in the guest room with rolled up guest towels would be nice as well. And in the kids' room and nursery, these are perfect for toy storage or things like your wet wipes and things like that in the nursery. If you're making to sell, they're actually quite quick makes and they're very, very simple to make as well. So if you haven't joined the Half Yard Club yet, I'll leave the details in the description box below. We'd love to see you over there. We do such a wide variety of different projects. The main one every month is released on the first of the month, as with these storage pods, that has a video to go with it as well. But it may be storage or quilting, cushion making, homewares, dressmaking, bag making. We cover such a wide genre of subjects that I'm sure you're going to find projects that you will really enjoy there. So if you are a member already, this is your next project. I think you're going to love them. I think you'll make loads of them. And if you're not a member yet, I look forward to seeing you over on the Half Yard Sewing Club.